Hello class, and today we're going to be continuing our unit on the atmosphere, hydrosphere, and lithosphere, and how they interact, evolve, and change. Specifically, that water circulates through the atmosphere, lithosphere, and hydrosphere is what is known as the water cycle. So, let's review. The lithosphere is the rigid outer part of the Earth, consisting of the crust and upper mantle. The atmosphere is the envelope of gases surrounding the Earth, while the hydrosphere is all of the water on Earth's surface, such as lakes and seas, and sometimes including water over the Earth's surface in the atmosphere, such as clouds. So, let's get started on what this water cycle is. Let's start here, at this lake. So, water in a lake is going to evaporate. Evaporation means that the water from this lake is going to go from the liquid phase to the gas phase and travel up the atmosphere. As it goes up, the atmosphere gets colder and the water is going to turn into condensed vapor through something we call condensation. How else can you get clouds and water in the atmosphere? Well, plants also emit water from their leaves, and that is through a process called transpiration. Transpiration also releases water vapor into the atmosphere, and as it condenses, it becomes a cloud. Clouds can then transport from one area to another and precipitate in the form of snow or rain. As they precipitate, if the ground becomes too saturated with water, you get something called surface runoff. Surface runoff is when soil is too saturated, and so water, instead of seeping into the soil, is able to glide down without seeping in. Then we have something called groundwater, which is what happens when you get a puddle in your backyard. And when you get a puddle in your backyard, the soil is so saturated that it begins to lay on the surface and create a puddle. And from there, that water evaporates and the cycle starts over again. Thank you.